Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the purchase flow. Open Microsoft account or create one now. This is the identity tied to your license. Once done, pick a plan, personal if it's only you, family for up to 6 people, business for teams, because the features and install count differ. Make sure your payment method is ready to avoid interruptions. I'll explain the billing type choices and why choosing the right plan saves money later. You sign in and navigate to subscriptions to complete the transaction, then choose Buy Now or Redeem if you have a code. This registers the license to your account. Next, go to Services and Subscriptions, click Install Office, and select the language and 64-bit/32-bit option. 64-bit is best for large workbooks. During install, accept the prompts and allow updates. This step ensures Excel is licensed and will receive security and feature updates automatically. You activate Excel by opening it and signing in with the same Microsoft account used to buy the subscription. Activation binds the app to your license. Then verify under File right arrow account to confirm the subscription name and update status. If activation fails, first sign out and sign back in. Second, check for Office updates or reinstall. Third, use account. Microsoft. Com to confirm payment and subscription status. That troubleshooting sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.